In order for Mike to catch the frisbee Phoebe threw, he had to run 45 meters in 7 seconds. Mike began this sprint from a resting position. Let's start by drawing what we know. So we'll draw a picture. Drawing a picture will slow our brain down, help us to think about what's happening. Doesn't have to be a good picture, and mine certainly aren't there. That'll work. So here he is running, and he starts from a rest. So that means initial velocity is 0. It took 7 seconds. So that's the time. And this distance from where he started to where he ended was 45 meters. All right, now let's list the givens. Here are the givens. V naught is equal to 0. Let's see, he starts at a position of 0, and then he runs 45 meters. So delta x and x are the same, and the time is 7 seconds. What was his final speed if he accelerated the whole time? Okay, final speed. So that's going to be the velocity here. Or put a v down here. So let's see, I got the initial velocity, I got x naught, x, t, and v. I'd like some kind of equation with those variables. So what I can use the average velocity. So the average velocity is equal to x over t. It's also equal to v plus v naught over 2. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this part of the average velocity equation. So I'm just going to use the halves on the right. Sorry, pieces on the right. And I'm solving for the final velocity. So x over t is equal to v plus v naught over 2. Now I need to isolate v. So to begin with, I'm going to multiply both sides by 2. When I multiply both sides by 2, that'll put this by 2 and this side by 2. So what's going to happen on the right is the 2's will cancel out. That'll leave me with 2x over t is equal to v plus v naught. Now to isolate v, I'll just subtract v from both sides, and I'm going to switch sides just to make things look a little more usual. So v is equal to 2x over t minus v naught. Now the nice thing here is that v naught's equal to 0, so that's just going to disappear altogether. So that leaves me with v is equal to 2x over t. So the final velocity is 2 times my distance, which is 45 meters, divided by my time, which is 7 seconds. 2 times 45, that's 90, divided by 7, that's going to be 12.9. So the final velocity is equal to 12.9 meters per second. We know